Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon viewers. Welcome back to our program, our English talk show with me Widyaningsi as a host in this program for today. Well, long time no see. And today we are going to talk about a topic with the special guest for today. In this place, there have been two guests, and we are talking the topic about Islamic Civilization Museum at Parangbanua, Goa. That's the topic that we are talking more, and I will invite our guest for today, and they will introduce their name one by one. So, hello, Mr.
Yes, hello.
Hello. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah. So, sir, today we are going to talk about a topic, but before talking more about that, let the viewers know you one by one.
Yes.
Okay, let's start from you, sir.
Yes, I am Nur Samsul Sultan. I'm one of the members of the board committee of Islamic Civilization Museum at Goa, at Parangbanua, Goa.
Parangbanua, Goa. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
So, what the people should call you, sir?
They just call me, actually they call me Nur.
Oh, Nur. Okay, sir. Okay, and let's move to the second guest for today. Time is yours, sir.
Okay, I am Ai. I'm the head of General Affairs, Public Relations and SOP at Sekolah Islam Al Azhar Hertagning Makassar, and I am the one of some members of Al Khair English and Arabic community.
Okay.
Yes, not Al Qaeda, yeah.
No,
Al Khair.
Al Khair English and Arabic community. Okay, nice to meet you, sir.
Yes.
Let's talking about our topic for today.
Yes.
It's about Islamic Civilization Museum
Yeah.
at Parangbanua, Goa, and also we are also going to talk about Al Khair English and Arabic community. So I start from Mr. Nur.
Yes, thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
let us know a little bit about Islamic Civilization Museum of Goa.
Yeah, so that is a museum in planning.
Oh,
So
still
now
in
it's
planning,
still in
sir.
planning,
Okay.
but we have already promoted, and then we expect some people will support us in establishing this museum. It is called Islamic Civilization Museum, and it is located about 6.5 kilometers from the twin bridges of Sungguh Minasa.
Yeah.
Turn left, to turn left, and then it is there is a place in this dedicated by Mr. Hasan Hasim, Dr. Hasan Hasim.
Okay.
So he has already dedicated some part of his land for to build a museum in that
museum.
place. Yeah. And in that place, we plan to have some educational activities, such as tahfiz school, and also we'll have a language park.
Language park.
English
Wow.
and Arabic language
It's
park.
cool.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
English,
Yeah. English and Arabic park. Actually, we have a plan in the future to have a language village at the place.
At the place, sir.
Yeah, but we start with a park.
A park
Yeah,
first.
language park, in which everybody should speak English or Arabic. If they want to speak Indonesia, they should go out from that.
Wow.
but they need to
that's the
speak
rule.
English only.
That is the rule.
The rule, yes. Doesn't mean that we should speak English perfectly or Arabic perfectly. No,
Okay.
no. We may combine it. It's only to motivate us to train, to practice much.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's actually the background how to why the museum is building, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And the next, sir, how is the progress? Because you say just now it's still in planning.
Yes, it's still
Uh-uh.
planning.
So how is the progress up to now, sir?
Inshallah, on the early of Ramadan, in the first day of Ramadan,
First Ramadan.
yeah, the board of or the committee will be inaugurated, and also will start to mark the place in which the building. Actually, there's already a mosque there, but it's going to be renovated. It'll be a three floor mosque,
Wow.
inshallah. And around it there are some facilities for education and also for recreation. Yeah, and until now we have already got the land because the owner has already dedicated.
Okay.
So we start to build some building, and also maybe there will be some cottages. There are already some cottages there now, and what's going to be renovated. And maybe we plan to have English camp or Arabic camp. Yeah, inshallah.
I need to join.
Yes, sir. It may, I mean, a higher English and community is a good facilities.
Yeah, inshallah. We hope they participate. So the main building is the museum, actually. Yeah, the museum. But because it's also aimed for educational activities there. So because Goa is the great kingdom formerly, yeah, in
So
eastern
large
part of
kingdom.
Indonesia, yeah. But now we have only one museum, that is Balak Lumpur.
Lumpur.
It's too small to collect some
Many things.
many antique things
Yeah.
that belong to Goa kingdom. Yeah, so by having this building, some people have already promised that they'll render or they'll lend their some antique things in connection with the Goa kingdom.
Wow.
So we are going to have some historical traces, and also we'll have some notes or some script about the life of some great people of Makassar, just such as Syed Yusuf,
Syed Yusuf.
and also Sultan Hasanuddin.
Masya Allah.
So we'll have we'll know much about them by having this museum.
Museum.
I
Okay.
think that is a good news.
Yes, sir.
Inshallah, yeah.
Inshallah. It will be better for the future, sir.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, sir. Let's move to Mr. I. I
Well-
wanna ask about Al Khair English and Arabic community. So, sir, what is that? What is actually that group means?
Al Khair English and Arabic Community is a group that found and created by Mr. Nur Samsu, and for those who want to develop and increase their English and Arabic language skill, and I've been joined that group since a year ago.
Okay, since year ago.
Yeah.
Okay, that's English and Arabic community.
Yeah,
But
so there are two community in one group.
In
I
one
think
group.
It's amazing idea from Mr. Nur.
okay, so let's move to the Mr.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr.
Yes.
So, what is Al Khair actually? The meaning of Al Khair?
Yeah, Al Khair is derived from Arabic language. It means goodness.
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 Yeah, Khair. And it's also found in Holy Quran.
Okay.
Yeah, and also in Hadith. Kalau Rasulullah SAW, khairukum man ta'allamul Qur'ana wa'allamahu. The best among you, those who learn Quran and teaches Quran. That's the meaning. So Al Khair means goodness.
Goodness.
Goodness. Yeah.
Okay. In Indonesia kebaikan.
Kebaikan.
Masya Allah.
I think that is pray for all.
Yeah,
all
inshallah.
the members.
Yeah, the member.
To share the goodness for
Inshallah.
all the people.
Yes.
In using English and Arabic.
Arabic language. Yeah.
So, sir, actually, how many members in
How-
that group right now?
Okay, well, about the member.
Around
So many members.
40 until
Yeah,
now. There are
45
more than
until
40.
50
Yeah.
members, I think, from many schools,
Government school, college,
education background,
Yeah.
profession, such as principal, teachers, and
Yeah.
vice principal
Yeah.
have been joined that group.
Yeah.
So many education background inside.
Yeah.
Who is actually the how to say the
About the background, education
sir.
background.
The apa?
The leader.
The leader, yeah.
Yeah,
Who's actually the leader of-
we don't have leader until now. We just have admin, and there are
Just
two admins.
Admins.
Just admin.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
it's
that's
actually it's a WhatsApp group.
Ah,
Yeah,
WhatsApp group.
It's only in WhatsApp group,
Yeah,
sir.
WhatsApp group, and we have two admins, and some colleges have already joined us, such
Yeah.
as Ar-Rahma,
Yeah.
Al Azhar, and also Stiba of Wahda, and also in Syed Yusuf.
And maybe some of them are journalists, right? No.
Some are teachers and also journalists. There are some journalists.
Of course,
Yeah,
English
journalists.
and Arabic teachers from many schools.
Yeah, English and Arabic teacher
Yeah.
from some schools.
Yeah.
Yeah, and para hikmah.
Para hikmah,
We
yeah,
have
yeah,
also
Para Hikmah is a new member.
a new member,
Right,
teacher and also
And
student
have
for
been
para
joined,
hikmah.
their
And
Saint
also
School principal.
From UIN University. And that will,
UIN University.
inshallah, from Hasanuddin University and from
Inshallah.
UNM, also we hope they'll join us to promote this and also to participate in English and Arabic.
Yeah, maybe our target
training.
is 1,000 members, right?
Inshallah.
We hope so,
yeah,
sir.
I hope so, yeah. The more the better. The more the
Yeah,
better.
the more the better.
Yeah.
Because we will share the goodness.
Yeah, the
That's the
goodness and
principle,
also it's kind silaturahim,
And
friendship.
And
Friendship.
charity,
Yeah,
of course.
to
Make a friend.
to make a
Yeah,
friendship with the others for the goodness.
Back to the goodness.
Yeah, the goodness. Yeah.
So, what are the main activities inside the group, sir?
We have for the time being we'll have only camp, English camp and Arabic camp. Of course, we'll differentiate it. English camp for several days, and also we'll have Arabic camps, and also maybe we'll have bazaar. Bazaar, yeah. So culinary,
Culinary,
yeah. Especially specific they have in Goa, yeah. So. And also we'll have a family gathering. So there are many activities, and we still develop it. We still expect some suggestion from the members, yeah, to have such activities. All this in connection with language practicing,
Yeah.
because learning a language, the most important is practicing actually.
Yeah, that's the point,
Language skill depend on habitation,
Yeah.
how to accustom ourselves in speaking. Yeah. That's why. So that's the place we have already planned that in which this English and Arabic zone.
Yeah.
Everybody should speak English or Arabic, even though not in a good Arabic or in a good English, but we post. Yeah, we post for the first time, but later they love it and they like it. For the first time, we post them to speak up in Arabic or in English.
In English. How about you, sir? What sometimes do you sometimes give a comment in the group or what else?
Sure.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
If my motivation to join this group is not only to improve my English language skills, but there are many interesting and motivation videos inside, and of course positive comments in English, and also useful articles in English. And if we join, Mr. Nursansu said that we learn not only English, but because in these groups there are two communities, Arabic too. So this is a chance for us to learn Arabic too from friends who can speak Arabic.
Arabic.
Yeah, and all this knowledge we can share to our friends who cannot a chance to join this group.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the media, yes, sir. One of the media to learn and to share the
To
knowledge
share.
that you get from that group.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's move to the between Al Khair and also the museum.
Yeah.
So I asked the question to Mr.
Yes,
Samsu.
yeah.
Sir, can you answer my question?
Sure, I hope
So
I
what
can.
actually the connection between Al Khair and Islamic Civilization Museum?
Yeah, so we want to promote this place. So through this group, we expect them, they help us to promote
Yeah.
that there will be Islamic Civilization Museum in Goa.
In Goa.
So we expect through this group, they can share with others. So the more people will participate in establishing this. And the second aim is we provide place for those who learn English and Arabic, in which they are going to learn English or Arabic with fun.
Yeah.
With fun, because it's outside of school, so we'll have an interesting program. And in the future, of course, there will be many people come, not only from Indonesia, inshallah, from abroad. That's why we need skill in international languages. For the time being, we use only Arabic and English, but later there will be Mandarin or Chinese language.
Wow.
And maybe it's possible
Yeah.
to fix a course for that, to visit that place.
Yeah, maybe in the future, but for the time being, maybe it's no charge, no charging, free.
For
Yeah.
first times.
The Chinese, because inshallah will have some new converted to Islam or mu'allaf from Chinese people in South Sulawesi, in Makassar. So we expect them to participate in promoting Chinese language or Mandarin language, because we know that nowadays it's popular, especially in business.
Yeah,
And also if you are interested, you may learn Chinese.
Yes, the more we know the language,
The better.
Yeah.
the better.
Yes, of course.
It's not only actually right now. We know that English is
just English or maybe Arabic.
Because inshallah in the future there are some visitors from abroad to this place, because it will be a new icon of Goa, inshallah.
Inshallah, sir.
Goa.
How about the location, sir?
The location is actually it's not far from Makassar, because only 6.5 kilometers from the twin bridges of Sungguh Minasa. So we turn left, but the street is still rough now. Still rough now, but
How about the access?
the access? We can through the street, but unfortunately the street is still rough. But later we hope it will be smooth. Maybe the government will
help us.
will contribute. And in the future we'll have also by boat, going by boat from Sungguh Minasa to, because it's located in the bank of Janet Berang. Janet Berang. Yes. So one day maybe we can go access by boat, and also it will be a recreation for going there. It's in the future, inshallah. But
the big plan.
But now we have, the Chinese prophet said the first step is very important. The first step is very important because the next step just follow the first step. And our friends there, our team has already taken the first step. Inshallah, this is the Chinese prophet. In bahasa ini saya langkah pertama penting karena langkah berikutnya hanya mengikuti langkah pertama.
Wow.
1000 langkah berikutnya hanya mengikuti langkah pertama. We have already taken the first step.
Inshallah we will be running well.
Inshallah. Allah will bless us, inshallah.
Inshallah, amin. So let's move to the Al Khair and English community, sir. Right now, you have been a member in that group
Since a year ago.
Since a year ago.
Yeah, since last year, last year.
So, what is your? Do you have a big plan for that group, sir?
A big plan, not only from me, maybe from the other members, because there are a lot of benefits to join. This is a place to learn English and also Arabic, and also a place to increase our skills, our language skills, and a place to develop creativity by sending motivation videos, interesting videos, and we can take some picture and send to this
To
group.
this group.
Yeah, and also a place for friendship. For friendship.
Actually, have you met some of the members inside the group?
I met some of them, such as senior high school principal.
From Rahman, from Rahman.
Yeah,
Rahman.
from Rahman. Yeah, you're right.
And also
they-
from Hikmah, para Hikmah.
Para
yeah,
Hikmah.
some of them can speak English well. Yeah, so we can learn from them too.
From them.
Yeah.
So in museum, civilization museum of Goa, and also Al Khair English and Community, it can have a big plan for the future.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, and the place, actually one of the place that we can improve that English and or Arabic is in the museum.
Yeah.
That will be how to say, that will be built soon, sir.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
So the main building museum. After there are some areas in which we make some activities, such as for recreation, also for camping. So the main building will have there for the museum and also a mosque. The mosque is already. There's already existed now, but it will be renovated because it will be three floors.
3 floors.
Yeah. And also maybe some facilities for culinary. And also handicraft, because there are so many bamboos there. So
What is it?
bamboo tree.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
maybe some people there will be trained to make
Something
yeah,
that
some handicraft from bamboos. Yeah, inshallah. Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
So sir, we should go there.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
On 12 in
On
the
12th of
first
April
Ramadan.
this month, it will be the board. Yeah, the board committee will be inaugurated, and also they'll have planned to plant trees. Yeah, trees.
To plant trees first,
Yeah.
sir.
They have plant trees, and also maybe they'll start to make a map for the areas,
Yeah.
and to decide in which part is the culinary place, in which part is the museum, and in which part open area for camping or for recreation. Yeah.
Okay, so right now, sir, for the first time, for example, the tahfiz,
Tahfiz,
because one of the program is tahfiz.
Tahfiz, yeah.
When the people or the students can register, right?
Some students have already registered now.
some students.
Yeah, they started. They have already started activity in the mosque, because there is a mosque there, and so they have already some students there to do hafiz, and also they have some instructors, but only for limited students. But later, inshallah, it will be open. And right now, it is free. It is free for
Tahfiz.
for tahfiz.
Always start from free.
Free.
Later, if the people
Yeah, inshallah.
Yeah.
visit more
Yeah.
and more,
Yeah.
inshallah, will we give a
There
cost
will-
for that.
There will be a ticket maybe.
A
one.
ticket. Okay, and then after the tahfiz, and the plan for the next is
A language park.
part.
Language
Yeah.
part.
Especially for the first time is Arabic
And English.
also English.
Yeah.
Also.
Chinese
And
later.
later-
Chinese later.
Chinese
Yeah,
later.
Chinese later. Okay.
But by the way, but because it is the museum peradaban, I call it in Makassar, and civilization, we'll have also some traditional performance there, such as sinrili,
Yeah.
such as sinrili, or traditional music. So in that place we'll have. We can enjoy some traditional art of Makassar.
Out of
Yeah.
Makassar.
The example, sindri angaru. Nah, for instance, performance exhibition of that. There are some exhibition, especially using traditional instrument and also paganrang, daman how do you call it? Yeah. So there are some traditional art or performance will have there.
Inshallah.
Drum of Makassar.
Traditional drum. Traditional
Traditional
of
drum.
Makassar. Yeah.
Okay. That's all for today, sir. Thank you
Yeah.
so much for talking. Nice talking to you.
You're
And
welcome.
hopefully what we have for the future
Inshallah.
about Al Khair English and Community and also
Inshallah.
Civilization Museum of Goa will have a good will get a positive impact for the future, inshallah.
God
And
willing.
God willing, inshallah. Okay. Do you have something to say to others or no more?
Say you want to greet the members of
Yeah.
Al Khair?
Yeah,
Community.
maybe not for our members, but for those who cannot join until now.
Yeah.
I just motivate them that don't be shy to learn English. Try to speak, and the key is just join Al Khair English and Arabic community.
Okay, you can improve your English step by step,
Step by step,
little
you're
by
right.
little.
Little by little.
How about you, sir? Do you wanna
And
say
that's
something?
enough your message. And inshallah,
Okay.
we'll get response from the others.
Yeah.
Okay, well, viewers, that's all our talk show for today. Thank you so much for watching us, and don't forget to give your comment, like, and also subscribe. And I'm Vidya. Thank you so much. See you next week. Next week. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.